Jai Hind everyone. We are studying chapter number 6 exponents and powers, and we are on question number 3, third part. 3 raised to the power 20 divided by 3 raised to the power 15 and multiply 3 raised to the power 3. Here we have to apply the law of exponents. According to this, we can write the division in this form also. And now we are applying division uh, law of exponent. uh, we will subtract denominator power from numerator power. 20 minus 15, we can do this because their bases are equal, and multiply 3 raised to the power 3 will remain same. 20 minus 15, 5, so it will become 3 raised to the power 5 multiply 3 raised to the power 3. And now we will apply multiplication rule. If bases are equal, powers can be added, so 3 raised to the power 8 will be your answer. In question number 4, we have to simplify certain questions. So starts with second part. First part is I am giving you in your homework. 2 raised to the power 2 whole power 4 multiply 3 raised to the power 8 into 5 raised to the power 8. Uh, Here we will apply this rule. A raised to the power m whole power n. It will become a raised to the power m into n. Whenever we will have two powers of the same basis, I am repeating, whenever we will have two powers of same base, then we will multiply their powers and base will remain same. So it will become a, base is a, so base a will be base a, and the powers will multiplying with each other, m into n. Here we are also doing same. Here we have base is equals to 2 and we have two powers on the same basis. So powers will be multiplying. 2 into 4, 8. 2 raised to the power 8 multiply 3 raised to the power 8 will remain same into 5 raised to the power 8. Now what we will do next? Here we will apply one more formula. Formula number 2. If we have a base raised to the power m and another base raised to the same power, here we can observe that the powers are same but bases are different. Okay, so what we will do, we can combine the brackets and we will apply same power, same exponent to both to both of the bases. So it will become a multiply b and whole power m. What we have done in this rule, we are just combining the two brackets. And why we are combining the two brackets? Just because they will have, both of them are having same power m. So here we observe that 2 raised to the power 8 into 3 raised to the power 8, powers are same, exponents are same, bases are different, so we can combine their brackets. 2 multiply 3 raised to the power 8 multiply 5 raised to the power 8. 2 into 3, 6 raised to the power 8 multiply 5 raised to the power 8. Again two different bases and same powers, so we can combine their brackets. 6 multiply 5 whole power 8. Whole power means this power 8 belongs to both 6 as well as 5. 5 into 6, 30. 30 raised to the power 8 is your simplified form. Third part is almost same as second part. 5 raised to the power 2 whole power 3 multiply 5 raised to the power 4 whole bracket divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Two different powers of the same bracket, so we can multiplying their powers by this rule. Rule number 1. 5 raised to the power 3 into 2, 6 multiply 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Two same bases with different powers. Here we will applying multiplication rule of exponent, and in this condition we will add their powers. So 5 raised to the power 6 plus 4, 10 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Apply division operation here, division rule. Powers will be subtracted. 10 minus 7, it is equals to 3. So the answer will be 5 raised to the power 3. In fourth part, 4 multiply 3 raised to the power 4 multiply 2 raised to the power 4 upon 2 into 2 raised to the power 5. 4 can be written as 2 into 2, and the rest of the terms are same, upon 2 into 2 raised to the power 5. This 2 is cancelled by this 2. 3 raised to the power 4 is same. 2 raised to the power 4 and 2 raised to the power 1, they are combined, and 4 plus 1, because in multiplication when we have same basis, powers will be added. 4 plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 5. 4 plus 1, 5, and upon 2 raised to the power 5, 3 raised to the power 4 will remain same. 2 raised to the power 5 is cancelled by 2 raised to the power 5. 3 raised to the power 4 is your answer. In fifth part, 7 square multiply 11 raised to the power 6 multiply 3 upon 11 cube multiply 147. Okay, here we can observe that 147 is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 2 is remaining 27, 3 nines are 27. So 7 square is same 11 raised to the power 6. In denominator we have 11 raised to the power 3. So we will subtract 3 power from 6 power, 6 minus 3, right? And this is 1 upon 11 raised to the power 3 is adjusted with 11 raised to the power 6 already. So what is left? 49. 49 can be written as 7 square, and 6 minus 3 is 3 power, 7 square is same. 7 square is cancelled by 7 square, 11 raised to the power 3 is the final answer. So in this video we have completed question number uh, 4, because all the remaining part I am giving you in your homework. So in exercise 6.2 we have completed 4 questions so far. In our next video we will do the next questions. Thank you and have a nice day.